What's going on, everybody? Taking a quick look here at Shiba Inu coin. Currently up, at least according to Coinbase, 1.6%. We were up over 3% over on the Tastyworks trading platform. It's moving a little bit today in the green. Not too bad for anybody who holds Shiba. Taking a quick look over here, not too much has changed besides we are at lower prices. Kind of seeing something interesting here. I'm going to do a little bit of a zoom in here on the chart. Potentially have a little bit of a double bottom here, right in this level. Put in a low here. Rallied up to the moving averages, came back down, tapped this area, and potentially looking for a bounce from here. So what that would do, that would do two things. One, it would make sense because this is potentially a double bottom. Two, there is a level right here that we have been looking at for some time now, right at this 4,000 area, right, basically right there. If we start to rally from here, from this double bottom, this is the big area that we need to see Shiba break above. If we see Shiba break above that, then we should be off to the races and much higher prices to come. Obviously, this will depend on the other altcoins in the market, but let's see. Just wanted to point that out. Potential double bottom. If we start to move higher from here, keep this 4,000 area on your chart, on your watch list. That is potentially an area to get into a position or to add to a existing position for Shiba. We saw this on XRP. So for XRP, we saw a double bottom like this, and I will show you here what I'm talking about. So if we zoom out to, let's zoom in here, XRP. All right, so you can see we had this trend down here, $1.90 to 55 cents, we'll call it. We hit the low, started to go up, rolled over, came right close to this area again, tapped it, and then what happened from there? Higher prices to go. We went from 52 cents, give or take, up here to $1.38, $1.40. So just a quick visual if you're watching this video to something you can compare what's going on with Shiba to what happened to XRP. We'll go back to Shiba. So you can potentially see it a little better now. Put in a low, went up, rolled over, tapped this area. Now the big question is, what happens from here? Do we head higher? Does this fail and we roll over? We'll see. It kind of depends on what the other cryptos are doing in the market. If this does set up for a breakout and the other altcoins start to break out higher, this could send Shiba to much higher prices. And time will tell whether it's this market cycle or in the future. This $19 billion market cap crypto will not be this low forever. It is extremely cheap. So we think the risk in owning something like this is pretty minimal. Whether you have to ride through a multi-year bear market to a sideways market before this thing moves again. We don't think that is much of a risk for something that is this cheap that has big potential. Assuming regulations don't crush projects like this, that's just the risk we're willing to take when it comes into investing in the crypto market and some of these lower priced assets. But if you're looking for a potentially a shorter term trade, keep your eye on that 4,000 area. Double tap, potentially a larger move coming here. And we will be keeping an eye on it. All right, hope you enjoyed this video. Smash the like button. Let me know down in the comments what are your thoughts on Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, some other lower price crypto projects. The time to accumulate these low priced assets is when they are not in the media spotlight. And Shiba and Doge right now are not in the media spotlight. They have moved down off their highs. They are not the flashy projects that are ripping to new all-time highs. And that is the time to be selling those, not buying those. Times like these, if you're looking to get into projects, lowers the risk if you are looking to get into something like this. Check out Shiba over here on TradingView, looking at the Coinbase chart here, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.